Kaylin. Okay, first of all, Bella is snoring. I know you guys can't hear it because it's so small, but Bella is literally snoring. She is asleep. So I'm not gonna disturb her. She's in the cutest position. So, I woke up like 3 hours ago. I literally hear her snoring. Like, calm down, Bella. Okay, she stopped. So, guys, I was just telling you about Bella snoring. Anyways, bye guys. Have a great day.